This is Pacific Reach. All members are encouraged to build close relationship with their neighbors and their friends, lead them to know Jesus, and plant new churches where people live.
Early this year, we started a new church plant at Wairambitia. Church members started visiting homes around the new church plant.
My name is Simeli Ratkolo and I'm an engineer.
My name is Josephine Ratkolo and I am a school teacher. I remember one time he was telling me about having a church plant at our house. I was thinking of all the responsibilities that will come with it. I prayed a lot about it and I said, okay, Simeli, we can have a church plant. We discovered that we had non-attending church members near our place. We invited them to come and be part of our church plant, and they were willing to come. So we started our church plant 8 months ago.
The chief method of evangelism we are employing in our church plant is to visit our neighbors and community in their homes.
Pastor told me that God created my 2 feet to take the word of God to my community. We visited all the houses around here by walking. We walked so many miles to visit people in our community.
They received me, I went inside, I shared the Bible with them, I pray with them, and I ask the Lord to bless them. And the door is always open for me. And I'm telling my wife, we are building this relationship.
I feel that I have so much a part to play in their life, in a way that I have influenced them through God's love and providence.
To have a church plant in your homes, it brings us very close with other church members. We have that close bonding. Now we become one family. I feel that the Lord has a call for me to win souls to His kingdom. A sinner like myself, they will also have a chance if you go out to their homes and share the good news to them, that they'll also be part of the kingdom.